What's happened, everybody? Welcome back to the R44 workshop. Today is the first customer's G87 M2. Boom. So obviously we've been working on R1 for the last couple of weeks and everything's going well. Customers' deliveries here in the UK have just taken place. And of course, it's time to start bringing your G87 to R44. So this lovely customer's brought it in for a host of parts. He's going for a full Edition 1 kit, excluding the diffuser due to kind of a bit of lead times, but they are coming in about a week or so. So if you want to get your orders in, a huge amount of products are going through paint at the minute. But Edition 1 front lip, Edition 1 side skirts, a V-style rear spoiler, 20mm spacers all round. He's also opted for 827 Ms in the bronze, finished with a 10 up on the rear, on the wider on the tyre, ready for mapping, and a set of 4 PS4Ss with TPMSs. So these you've seen on the M3 CS. So these are original wheels available on the R44 website, and you can have them wrapped in tires ready to be shipped. We've also got some nuggets here. We've got the MMR, I'm so excited. The MMR adjustable suspension. So height adjustable suspension, very similar to what we've installed to our car, the Cobra systems. So we've got that, we're gonna slam it. We're gonna get the fitment just so good with these tires. And then we're touching everything off with a set of Motorsport Plus DRLs. So this car is gonna go, we've got a limited time to get it done. It's gotta be done, it's Friday afternoon here. The car's being picked up at 5 o'clock and we're gonna showcase how good this car can look. Black M2's by far the best color for this platform until you see another revolution of our car. But yeah, let's wrap it up. Let's show you guys what we're up to. We have dropped it. It's looking okay in here, but Dylan's going to show you, or he previously would have shown you what it looks like. But this is by far one of my favorite looks on the M2. The first black one, I've been dying to get my hands on a black one. It's now been done. 827Ms looks crazy on this car. Once they settle down the suspension, it'll get even better. But anyways, guys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a G87, hit us up. We're more than happy to help. Alternatively, if you've got FAE, G8E, G3RS, anything you have, drop us a line. We'll be more than happy to help. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and look out for the next one.